everyone, welcome to the monthly webinar. Today I'm going to be talking about the end of the South African Rand, and it's really close. Okay, so we're in this very strange situation, and the strange situation is that what's bad for us is good for other countries. So there is kind of a win-lose situation going on here, and I'll give you an example. So last week Friday, the non-farm payrolls came out. So if you know that non-farm payrolls is one level that I watch very carefully every month. Basically, it comes out on the first Friday every month at around 8:30 American terms. Okay, it's gathered by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And what it does is basically it sees how many jobs are added or lost in the economy, and it excludes the farming industry. So while in America, so non-farm payrolls came out, and it was very good for America. We can see over here, I'll show you, this is using Oanda. It's beautiful because it shows you all the information you need. You can see on the top left, you can see it says U.S. non-farm payrolls, and what happens is that P is basically the previous level, so there were 137,000 jobs added. The forecast was that there was going to be 180,000 jobs added, and the actuality was 270,000. So it was much better than expected. And what happened? The US dollar flew through the roof. And this has been happening all year, where we've been seeing prices go up. So food, wine, beer, and coffee, not in that particular order, but that's all I can think about, is more expensive than it's ever been before. I mean, I was at Spa the other day, and I love my John West tuna. So since I've been back from the UK, I remember John West was around 18 Rand a tin. So when I went to Spa and I saw the price today, it's at 27 Rand for the exact same tin. So you can tell that the prices, or I like to say the European prices, are coming to South Africa, and it looks like they're here to stay. So we need to find every way possible to find opportunities to make an income. So what do? Is I go to the USD ZAR, and that is the United States to the Rand, right? And you can see that the Rand has been devaluing on quite a substantial trend from June all the way through to September. Then there was a sideways move, okay, which was expected because trends don't just go up in a row. And now it's formed what I call the diamond formation. So if we can draw it, I'll take the trend line, and you draw the first part of the diamond up here, and you take the second part of the diamond here, okay, sorry, so let's do it pretty much symmetrical, and then we form the bottom of the diamond about there, and then one more over here. Alright, beautiful. So you got the diamond formation, and what happens is it goes through this trend. And the diamond formation, when you're in an uptrend, tends to act more like a continuation basis. So it's a continuation pattern where once it breaks out, it tends to continue to the upside. Now that it's broken above here at 1420, the thing is that it's created enough momentum to create its next up leg, and that is to 1520. So what are we going to do? We are going to find forex trades that are conducive when the US dollar rises, and we're going to get in because I expect the Rand to go to 15 Rand 20. That's my next target. Okay, and if I'm wrong, I'll let you know. Don't worry. But in the meantime, we are going to find forex trades